Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're on the road now. Secure the phone in a legal mount, plug in the charger, and pair to the car's Bluetooth so you can use voice prompts. Open Google Maps, type your destination, and tap the driving icon. Maps shows route options, estimated time, and traffic. This matters because it chooses faster or quieter roads. Once you pick a route, enable voice guidance and brief lane guidance. This keeps your eyes on the road while still getting step-by-step directions. Once the route is active, refine it. Tap the three dots, then route options to avoid motorways, tolls, or ferries. This matters in the UK where roads can save time and traffic. Make sure live traffic is shown. Maps updates ETA and highlights incidents. If you need hands-free changes, use voice. Say, "Hey Google, avoid motorways," or take an alternate route. Maps recalculates without manual input. Also, glance at lane guidance when approaching complex junctions to prepare lane changes safely. You're close. Follow the final voice prompts and lane guidance, then switch to walking directions if parking isn't at the door. If voice guidance cuts out, make sure Bluetooth is connected, your volume is up, and mobile data is available. Restarting navigation usually restores prompts. If Google Maps suggests an unexpected major reroute, pull over safely before interacting. Finally, if something still goes wrong, toggle live traffic off and back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.